What up, YouTube? Been spending all day on these Proline tires, 2.2s, trying to put them on some Vanquish wheels. And if you've ever messed with these, you know that lip sucks when you're trying to put it on a narrow beadlock. Now, I've spent all day doing these, putting them on. They look good once they are on, though. The problem I'm having when I'm putting these 5 screws down, the lip on this bead wants to kick off, no matter how much pressure I apply or what I do all the way around. So I'm sitting here thinking the best way to get this bead on there, and I came up with using just a little bit of tire adhesive. I probably should have done it before so that you could see me actually perform the task, but all I've done was I took just a little tiny bit of the adhesive. I went around the inside of that lip. I got a little bit right here on the sides, just a little bit, but I put a very, 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 very small, tiny piece, little bead all the way across the inside. See if you can see here of that aluminum lip. Now, some of you are probably already thinking, why would you glue a screwed together wheel? But if you've ever messed with these tires, you know how big of a pain in the butt that it is. Now, there may be other methods, there may be other ways that it might be easier, but this was the way that I found, and it worked pretty good. Here is one that I did, already put together. It's got a nice tight seal, and if I ever have to change the tires, it's just on that one lip, and that lip comes off, and you can throw a little acetone on it, and that aluminum should just pretty much just pull right off of there. I mean, I put just a little tiny bit on there, just enough to hold it. Now you can see here that it's got a little bit of room on the edge. Again, I didn't put a whole lot on there, but whenever I put the weight in there and put it down, it's going to look like that. So, if you find yourself screaming through videos trying to figure out a way to get these Proline TSLs to get on your beadlock, on a Vanquish beadlock. Now, I've not tried them on anything else. Vanquish is about the only wheel I run. I've had other tires, I've tried the Voodoos, I've tried the Rock Beast 2s. They're real big, they're real tall, and to be honest with you, my application, they just don't do well. I'm gonna end this video on that. Check us out on Facebook. We are the Rock City Crawlers. We out here in East Tennessee. If you can't tell by the thick accent. Anyways, guys, I hope that it may be helpful to somebody. This is my first video. Hopefully a bunch to come. Peace out.